Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings gents, I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. Welcome to episode 12 of Geofatboy's Everyday Shave. Today's razor will be the Feather Adjustable Butterfly or Twist to Open Safety Razor. Here's a look. It's black and chrome, and the black is a resin type material. The chrome, as you can see, up on the top, and then the twist knob for opening and closing the butterfly doors or twist to open right there. And then here's the lever for adjustment. There are only two adjustments, 1 and 2, as you can see. 1 being mild, 2 being more aggressive. And then the black resin with some lines grooved in here for a better grip. And at the bottom, chrome as well. So let's pop in a blade. It actually comes with, I believe it comes with 2 feather blades. Here's the blade. Just pop it right over the rail right there. And then tighten it down by spinning the adjustment dial. Lock it down. Check the reveal. Looks good. The specs on this razor, it weighs in at 1.4 ounces or 40 grams. Overall length from top to bottom is 4.5 inches or 114 millimeters. So it's nice, lengthy, easy to drop in the palm and spin, no problem. Let's get our shave on. I'm going to use my Colonel Conch soap in the bowl, zebra brush, Shave Nation zebra brush. I'll warm up my face, we'll get right to it. I'm going to take the brush, soak it under the hot water. We'll just go right in here, wet the tips, a little bit of water. This is a soap that I microwaved into this bowl a few weeks ago. Go right to the face and lather up. Just drive that lather right into the beard to soften it, hydrate it, prepared for the shave to come. Figure 8, smooth everything out, set the brush down. Clear the runway so we can see our sideburns. To adjust this razor, you will need to loosen the dial, and then you can select your setting, 1 or 2, and I will go with the setting of 2 on the first pass. Tighten it back up, temper it under the cold water. All right, we'll start on the right side. See how this razor does. Pretty good. It's lightweight, but it's doing the job. All right, both sides filled, rinse. Left side. Flip it. Cleft. Rinse that. Now the mustache. All right, let's rinse it off. Cold water rinse. Let's relather for the second pass. Just a light coating on this second pass. Loosen the dial again for your adjustment. Take it down to a 1 and then retighten that dial. All right, here we go. Across the grain. Yes, noticeable difference between 1 and 2. Less aggressive on the 1 for sure. Cleft. Okay, rinse that against the grain on the neck. Across the mustache. Very mild on the 1 setting. Okay, let's rinse that. Quick face rinse. Just a light coating. We'll hit the cheeks real quick. Get them baby smooth. Leaving it on the 1. Just skim the skin. This will get you baby smooth right here. Other side. Excellent. Very nice. Okay, let's rinse. Rinse the razor, rinse the face with cold water. Let's take our Shave Nation wide stick, alum block. Just glide that all over the areas you've shaved. Excellent finish to the shave right here. Feels like an ice cube going on. Recap it, set it off to the side. Let that soak in for about 30 seconds, then rinse it off. Pat the face dry. Paraso Sandalwood Aftershave Balm. Right to the skin. Cooling, calming, nourishing, refreshing. Very good. A final look at the razor, the Feather Adjustable Butterfly or Twist to Open Safety Razor, resin and chrome construction. It's got a twist dial right here. The lever adjustment 1 and 2 on the side. Geofatboy's aggression rating on this razor, on the setting of 2, I'm going to give it a 4 to 5. On the setting of 1, I'm going to give it 2 to 3. That's on a scale of 1 to 10. For an adjustable, reasonably priced, not too expensive, and I think it will last. I've had this one for a long time. Used it a few times, never had any issues with it. So as far as durability, I think it's pretty good. And the feather blade, you know, always good blade, good performance out of the feather blade, nice and sharp. All these other items, the brush, soap, balm, everything, all good. If you want to pick up any of these items, just click down below the video where it says show more. You can grab them right there. Or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box, it'll pop right up. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends, shaving and more. Greatly appreciated. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.